As the new virus strain is spreading across the world, the US economy is booming ahead of the new year. According to the latest data, the number of COVID cases increases by 1 million people every day. However, the US market is not responding to the major outbreak, despite the fact that the US and Western Europe are at the epicenter of the pandemic. The dynamics of the S&P 500 index, which includes stocks of both technology and traditional sectors, are mainly positive. Its growth can be attributed to yesterday's US jobs report. Thus, jobless claims dropped to 198,000, while the number of people on benefits beyond the first week fell to 1.71 million. Let's see whether S&P 500 will continue edging higher and will be able to overcome the psychological level of 4,800 in the near future. According to our analysts, this scenario seems likely. They expect the index to move in the range of 4,750–4,810 points. S&P 500 futures are trading at the level of 4,778. The US dollar index has been standing still for quite a long time. It's holding high at around the level of 96. The greenback itself is trading against a basket of 6 world currencies within a narrow price range, limited by the levels of 95.70 and 96.30. Thus, the dollar's further movement will become known already in the following year. Meanwhile, the US dollar versus Canadian dollar pair fell to 1.2730. The quotes failed to take advantage of support. Besides, higher oil prices hovering at December highs pushed the pair down. Therefore, the most likely scenario suggests the pair's movement within the corridor of 1.2660–1.2780. Speaking of Bitcoin, it faced support and gained slightly to 48,000. The current trading day was bereft of significant changes in the market, so Bitcoin will hardly advance further in the coming days. According to analysts, Bitcoin will most likely continue trading between the levels of $46,500 and $49,500 until the beginning of the new year. The US stock market is likely to end the year at highs and enter a correction in January. After all, the consequences of the December outbreak of the Omicron strain will become clear in January. Any conclusions can be drawn only when the number of new confirmed cases at least stops growing. Meanwhile, the situation is challenging. For instance, US airlines cancelled more than 1,300 flights on the New Year holidays as COVID-19 thinned out the number of available crews. Besides, in early January, the United States and Russia are set to hold much-anticipated talks on global security and NATO issues. The outcome of the negotiations may have a severe impact on the markets of Russia and Europe at the very beginning of 2022. And well, that's it. We wish you a happy new year and may your trading be always lucrative. May the new year bring you and your family prosperity and good luck. See you back soon.